A humble contribution. At the crossroads, a prayer for Pakistan. Far from the homeland, yet close in my heart, I stand today as Pakistan's soul restarts. 84 years since that fateful day when dreams of freedom carved their way. The soil that cradled my forefathers' dreams still calls me to across oceans and streams. Yet here we are at crossroads deep, where shadows linger, where wounds still weep. But I, your distant child, raise my voice, urging my nation to make the noble choice, to rise as one, to heal and mend, to call each rival now a friend. Let East meet West, let North meet South, with words of peace from every mouth. Forgive the past, release the pain, and welcome love where hate has lain. No more walls, no lines to trace, but open arms, a warm embrace. Let not our hearts be swayed by lies or blinded by the enemy's disguise. For unity is the sword we wield, a mighty force, a nation healed. Let those left out now take their place and feel the warmth of our embrace. We are the torch, we light the way for those who stumbled, gone astray. We lift them up, we make them see what Pakistan was meant to be. A beacon bright, a land so free, home for all from sea to sea. So on this day, my solemn plea is rise, O nation, in unity. From distant shores, my heart beats true. Pakistan, I stand with you.